In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 graphic programs used in 2021. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Graphic design is all about the program. Sure, a good designer can produce something gorgeous out of Microsoft Paint. But the easy controls and versatility of a decent application can make all the difference. So, which graphic design software is appropriate for you? So, which design program should you choose? Are you searching for the flexibility and expensiveness of Photoshop, or are you looking for something more simple and inexpensive? Here are the top 10 graphic programs used in 2021. So let's start. Number 10. Xara Designer Pro X. Complex features and tools are available in Xara, as well as advanced design aspects. The software is widely used to make graphics, edit pictures, and build web pages for web and print design solutions. It provides customers with a simple option to incorporate creativity while also providing speedier performance. It also provides users with endless redo and undo options, allowing them to make numerous changes. Number 9. Sketch. Sketch is a vector-based design program available only on the Mac platform and used mostly for web, app, and interface design. Since then, the graphic design industry has suffered, with some developers preferring designers' sketch files over layered Photoshop files from the same design company. Despite the fact that Sketch isn't designed for photo editing or printing, it's an excellent tool for developing icons and user interfaces for websites and mobile apps. Designers may also generate live comps, which developers can preview by tapping or swiping through to see how they'll look once they've been published. Number 8. Canva, Drag and Drop Online Editor. Anyone with no prior design knowledge who wants to create something quickly and effortlessly should start with Canva. This website offers a wide range of templates, typefaces, and graphics, some of which are free to use and others that must be purchased. Choose from pre-made templates or create your own from scratch, then use Canva's drag and drop interface to edit your design. Sure, it won't give you the same amount of control as Photoshop, but it's a great starting point for people who are just getting started. Canva uses a freemium business model, which means you'll have to upgrade to the premium version to get access to all of the features. Number 7. Inkscape. Inkscape, a free graphic design program, may help artists create scalable graphic designs that don't stretch or blur when resized. It's a user-friendly option for individuals who want to try their hand at vector sketching as a pastime or as a beginner. Inkscape has a big and active development community, allowing it to consistently produce updates and new features. Mesh gradients, a checkerboard background for more comfortable transparency viewing, improved spray, and measuring tools are all included in the most recent release. Number 6. GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is much more than a free picture editor that offers many of the same features as Photoshop. It comes with a lot of pro-level capabilities for fine-tuning images and producing unique artwork. The photo editing program's user interface is very customizable, and the GIMP community has generated several fantastic free plugins for additional features. People who know how to code can adjust it to a higher degree if necessary. Number 5. CorelDRAW Graphics Suite. CorelDRAW Graphics Suite has several advanced capabilities and a user-friendly interface. It is a collection of programs that provide advanced editing capabilities. Corel offers 3 payment options for consumers who want to purchase the software as well as pay for frequent upgrades. Existing users can also take advantage of an upgrading program. The new pointillizer from Corel has a number of customizable parameters that aren't only for normal dots. Number 4. Adobe InDesign. Since 1999, Adobe InDesign has been used to lay out periodicals and newspapers, making it a must-have for the publishing sector. Create attractive magazines, info sheets, and brochures, then convert them to PDF or HTML with ease. InDesign has a flat learning curve and is ideal for newcomers learning how to integrate text and visuals, despite being a one-trick pony. Number 3. Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer is an impressive, low-cost alternative to Adobe Illustrator in terms of function and appearance. Even when dealing with layers, Affinity is praised for being easier to use and faster than Illustrator. It's basic enough for beginners to use as a learning tool, yet strong enough for budget-conscious freelance graphic artists. Affinity has also recently received a major update that includes new features and performance enhancements. This software is a wonderful option for anyone who doesn't want to spend a lot of money on Adobe's offerings but yet needs something that works well. Number 2. Adobe Illustrator. Although Photoshop and Illustrator have certain similarities in terms of tools and functions, Adobe Illustrator is more focused on vector design. Use Illustrator's Mesh tool, Pen tool, swatches and colors, or Shape and Pathfinder tools to create gorgeous logos, typography, icons, and sketches. Though learning to create vector graphics may take some extra time, the practically endless potential is well worth the effort. Number 1. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is the most well-known of the graphic design programs. When it comes to picture alteration, Photoshop can handle it all, from simple cropping that your grandmother could perform to more intricate raster creations. The pen tool, layers, and masks are all basic Photoshop capabilities, but the most recent addition includes some exciting new features, including a frame tool for easy masking and a new content-aware fill workspace. Photoshop is an excellent graphic design talent to acquire because it has an almost endless skill ceiling. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like from above list? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.